Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up and organize your My Library. So first of all, to locate your My Library, go up here to the hamburger and then go down to Community. And then once in Community, go over to My Library. And if you watched one of my first videos I sent out for Curriculum Tip of the Week, I showed you how to set up your office in here in this area and then link all of your courses to this so that when you need to make updates to your office, you just come here and make updates. But say there are things that you've added into this area that you're looking at that you're like, I don't need that anymore and I want to simplify it. Or maybe you've got a lot of things laying out on their own and you want them to become more consolidated, to put them in folders and to organize them. Well, you can do that. You can create folders by clicking on Add to My Library and then clicking on Folder and naming that folder whatever you want to name it. And once you're done, you click Save. I'm not going to add it because I don't need one right now. And then once you've created that folder, you can take whatever item it is that you want to put in that folder and just grab it and drag it up and put it into whichever folder you want. And within that folder, you can change the order of things by dragging up and down to whatever you want, okay? And then if there's a particular item in there that you don't want anymore, then you can delete that as well. You go over here to the three dots, click on there, and then click delete. And then it'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete? And you would click yes. I don't want to delete this item, so I'm going to click no. And then it'll remove it from your library. And so you can just continue to do that to get rid of all the things that you don't want in your library anymore that are old and you don't need. Just click the three dots off to the side and then delete, and then yes. If you have any further questions, please let us know.